Here's how you can delete your TikTok account. You want to first go ahead and open up your TikTok, and then once you're in your profile page, you want to go ahead and click on the three bars on the top right hand corner. From here, as you can see, the last option is going to say settings and privacy. We're going to go ahead and click on that option, which is going to bring you to this page. And then once you're in this page, you want to go ahead and tap on accounts, which is the first option. And that's going to lead you into all these different options. We're going to want to choose this last one. It says deactivate or delete account. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. So now it's going to bring up two different options where if you just want to simply log out for a bit and take a break, you want to deactivate your account. However, if you want 100% all in to delete your account permanently, then you can go ahead and click on the second option right over here. It's just going to bring you this option that says, why are you leaving TikTok? You're going to have to give them a solid reason. So you can go ahead and choose on any one of these toggles. It honestly doesn't really matter. We're going to say like, I'm on TikTok too much. That helps as well. And it's going to give you this button that says continue. You can also download your TikTok data so that way you can access and see all of the things that you've done on your account. However, that's not mandatory. That's just an option. So simply just click on by continuing, you reviewed your data request and wish to continue deleting your account. And then click on continue. Alright, it's going to give you this one more confirmation page where it says whatever 30 days, it's going to be deactivated. And then after that, if you don't log back in, your account is going to be completely deleted. Simply click on the continue button just like that. And then you enter in the password for your account. Once you enter in your password for your account, you can delete your account.